Hi everyone, welcome back on Roadzone Review. We're diving into one of Tesla's most ambitious creations, Optimus 3, a robot design that, according to Elon Musk, finally gets everything right. At this point, there are no major flaws with the Optimus 3 platform. However, Tesla still plans to retool several components. The current goal: begin rolling out prototypes by the end of this year and enter full-scale production in 2026. Tesla is pushing hard to scale Optimus manufacturing as fast as humanly possible, with a long-term aim of reaching 1 million units per year. Back in March 2025, Elon Musk revealed internally that Tesla planned to produce thousands of Optimus bots this year, ramping up to 50,000 in 2026 and an unbelievable 500,000 units by 2027. Then came June 2025. Reports surfaced that production had hit a speed bump. Technical issues led to a temporary pause, and existing units were still being manually assembled with major scalability limits. But in a surprise twist this July, Tesla announced that a large volume of Optimus units had now been produced for consumers, but for internal Tesla operations only. The biggest shocker: these bots include a completely new design never shown publicly. Even more impressive, monthly production is now up to 1,000 units. Optimus Gen 3 is designed to handle up to 3,000 useful tasks, and its initial launch price is expected to start at $10,990. So, what exactly will Tesla Bot Gen 3 look like? And what are those mysterious 3,000 useful tasks it can perform? Welcome to Roadzone Review. Tesla's Q2 2025 earnings call just wrapped, and the energy was electric. Elon Musk dropped major updates about the Tesla Bot, especially the transition to the all-new Optimus version 3. The most exciting news: a dramatic design overhaul compared to the 2.5 model we've seen before. Sure, the looks of a humanoid robot aren't its most vital function, but let's be honest. Nobody wants a robot that looks like a horror movie villain in their living room. Fortunately, that's not what Tesla is going for. Musk emphasized that Optimus 3 has far more degrees of freedom, a critical factor in making robots move and act more human-like. That means better articulation, natural gestures, and a huge leap in overall capability. As of now, Optimus robots are already being used internally by Tesla, but when it finally reaches customers, it will feel like a completely new product. During the Q2 earnings call, Musk was very clear: Tesla's consumer version will be built using version 3, not the older 2.5 design seen in internal testing. Let's not forget where this all started. When Optimus was first introduced during AI Day 2021, Tesla had nothing more than a mock-up and a guy in a robot suit dancing awkwardly on stage. It was more meme than machine. But since then, Tesla has advanced to Gen 2 and 2.5, both functional and in limited internal use. In a Q1 2025 all-hands meeting, Musk told Tesla employees they aim to produce their first real Optimus army by the end of the year. The plan: roughly 5,000 units, with enough parts sourced for potentially 10,000 to 12,000 bots. At that time, most assumed Tesla would stick with Gen 2.5, possibly tweaking it with features like 22 degrees of freedom hands. That made sense. Optimus Gen 2 was already far ahead of the competition in mobility and appearance. But the Q2 update changed everything. Elon Musk made it official: Optimus Gen 3 is the real deal, and it's the one headed for large-scale production. He described it as elegant, and added that it's the first Optimus design that doesn't need fundamental changes. It's been built from the ground up based on first principles of physics, featuring every necessary degree of freedom for practical tasks. And now we're learning even more. According to leaks, Optimus 3 will include a front-facing display and Grok voice assistant integration. The screen will show status updates, user commands, or information, essentially a digital face with real-time interaction. Tesla is also working to reduce overall weight to improve walking speed, which still hasn't hit the 5 miles per hour target. That might mean lighter materials or better joint systems. Either way, Musk promised a stunning visual and functional upgrade expected to be revealed later this year, possibly at the November 2025 Tesla shareholder meeting. And it makes perfect sense. Musk already hinted that several Optimus bots might make a live appearance on stage during the event. Now let's talk about performance. Optimus Gen 2.5 could perform around 1,500 basic tasks, but with Gen 3, that number jumps to 3,000. Why such a massive leap? Because increased degrees of freedom unlock more complex movements. Optimus Gen 3 won't just hold an egg. It might crack it, cook it, and serve breakfast. But let's not sugarcoat it. Building Optimus Gen 3 is a serious engineering challenge. As Musk explained, none of the parts are off the shelf. Every motor, gear, joint, power unit, and sensor is being custom engineered by Tesla. They even train the robot's limbs and sensors using neural networks, similar to how they trained Tesla's full self-driving AI. In fact, Musk compared Optimus directly to Tesla cars, calling both robots with different applications. To support this vision, Tesla struck a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung Electronics to build custom AI6 chips at Samsung's semiconductor plant in Taylor, Texas. These chips will be key to training Optimus to act, move, and react in real time. So, what can Optimus 3 really do with its 3,000 skills? At the 2024 Tesla shareholder meeting, Musk casually mentioned the bot would have 22 degrees of freedom, enough to play the piano. That's right, full hand articulation, fine motor precision, and the ability to perform delicate tasks. In fact, Musk even compared it to C-3PO from Star Wars. Tesla's long-term vision is to sell each robot for $20,000, with production costs hitting just $10,000 per unit. And by 2025, Tesla could deploy thousands of these bots inside its own factories. That's not science fiction. That's Tesla reality. More surprisingly, Musk claimed that Optimus alone could eventually lead Tesla to a $25 trillion market cap, over half the total value of the entire S&P 500 today. One of the most mind-blowing upgrades, Musk says users will train Optimus with minimal effort. Unlike existing robots, you won't need to manually teach it everything. Instead, it will observe, learn, and act based on contextual AI. Rub your stomach, it'll know you're hungry and start making a sandwich, frown and point at the lawn. Optimus might go outside and mow it without a single verbal command, and that's just the beginning. In time, you'll be able to customize Optimus's voice, personality, and response behaviors. Choose between different tones, languages, and even emotional styles. Musk envisions an AI companion shaped by your personality and habits. With its 27 degrees of freedom, it can rival the 100 functional capabilities of a human hand. Experts believe Optimus could outperform current industry leaders in dexterity and responsiveness. And unlike most robots, it won't take months to train. By 2026, Optimus could perform tasks it's never seen before just by watching a video or observing someone else. As production ramps up, Tesla plans to use Optimus in 4,680 battery cell sorting, error correction, and high-precision manufacturing. Musk hinted that 1,000+ Optimus robots could be active in Tesla factories as soon as next year. Now, to be clear, this doesn't mean robots will instantly replace humans, but the trend is real. By 2030, Tesla's human workforce could shrink by up to 60% due to robotic labor. And honestly, from an efficiency perspective, it's easy to see why. Optimus runs 24/7, recharges in just 5 minutes, and requires no sleep, breaks, or paychecks. That's tens of thousands saved per robot per year and a massive competitive edge for Tesla. With near-autonomous function, Optimus is 99% independent once trained, and that's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. While other companies showcase flashy demos, Tesla's Optimus is redefining what's possible. If Tesla can truly mass-produce the Gen 3 Optimus for just $10,000, should governments regulate its use, or should the free market decide where humanoid robots belong in society? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching RoadZone Review. If you want more exciting updates about Tesla bots or Tesla EV tech, smash that like button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.